If you deal with students or with health club members and locker locks, we have a question for you. Which combination will they remember best? The answer is easy. The new letter lock from Master Lock. We took the time-honored design and made the combination easier to remember and easier to dial. The combination is now 3 letters, and every single letter is printed right on the dial. Clear letters, wide spacing, no counting hash marks in between. That's quick, accurate, and worry-free.
These locks are awesome.
Yeah, these are so sweet.
3 letters are easy to remember, so there's no need to go to the office for a reminder. They're in and out and on their way faster than ever. Letter lock is especially nice for health club patrons and other occasional users. Each lock combination is provided with a memory phrase to make it easier to remember. The letters on the dial are easier to see and dial in. Letter lock has all the features of a quality Master Lock combination lock. A double reinforced stainless steel body that is built to withstand abuse. And the patented BlockGuard anti-shim technology that provides dual protection against anyone who tries to shim open the lock. Letter lock also offers options that help administrators run an effective lock system. In addition to the combination-only model, you can order letter locks with a supervisory control key. The same supervisory keys that open all your numerical padlocks will open your letter locks too. 3 shackle lengths are available to fit the widest range of locker types. You can even choose from a variety of dial colors to match school colors or to complement facility decor. There are lots of reasons to like the letter lock, but one is greatest of all. For a combination they won't forget, here's all you need to remember: the new letter lock from Master Lock.